Hi guys, welcome. Guess what we're gonna do today? Today we're gonna make a special treat for your skin. We're making a special anti-aging treatment that you're gonna use on your skin to help your skin to look years younger. You're looking to roll back the years. You're looking to take at least 5 to 10 years off your skin. This remedy might just help. I am using some amazing ingredients that are rich in antioxidant. The antioxidant that are known to boost the collagen production in the skin, the antioxidants that are known to reduce the wrinkles and fine lines, the antioxidants that are known to help to clear pigmentation on the skin. We're talking about antioxidants such as vitamin A, vitamin C, and vitamin E. Wrinkle fighting properties, guys. Natural homemade retinol cream that can get the job done. So what are you waiting for? As a matter of fact, guys, I use this on my skin and my skin look amazing. So what I'm doing, I'm sharing it with you, hoping that it will work as well on your skin as it worked on mine. Now let's start whipping this up. Before I do so, however, if you have not yet subscribed to the channel, this is your chance to subscribe. You don't want to miss these amazing videos, okay? You want to get your skin to look younger, and this is the place for you. So subscribe right now. The word subscribe is below. Click on it and you're subscribed. As easy as that. But here's a little secret. If you want to know exactly when I post a video, click on the little bell icon at the side, turn on post notification on your phone, and you're gonna get the notification as soon as I drop a video. For this recipe, I'm gonna be using a small blender. If you do not have a small blender, you can use an electric whisk or even a regular whisk. You're also going to need a small container, a small jar for storing your product. My first ingredient is hibiscus, and today we're using an hibiscus tea bag. However, if you have the loose hibiscus leaves, go ahead and use that. Hibiscus enhances the skin ability to retain moisture, which is a key factor in retaining a youthful complexion. The natural moisture-rich qualities of hibiscus help skin stay hydrated, soft, and supple, and keep the skin looking younger for longer. It also helps to get rid of dry, dull skin, and it also helps to reduce wrinkles and fine lines on the skin. A perfect anti-aging ingredient to use topically on the skin. Now what I'm going to be doing with this hibiscus tea bag, I am going to be brewing it. Since we are going to be making a anti-aging wrinkle fighting moisturizer. So 1 tea bag. If you're using the loose leaf hibiscus, go ahead and use a teaspoon. Next, we're going to reach for some hot water, and we want to make sure the water is to boiling point. And we're going to use about 3 tablespoons of the hot water. 3 tablespoons. Pour in this over the hibiscus tea bag, and what we're gonna do, we are just gonna play with it a little bit, and then we are gonna set this aside to brew and cool. This is gonna take about 10 to 15 minutes to brew and cool. Now while our hibiscus is brewing, let's take a look at some of the ingredients that we're going to be using. I am going to be using some papaya seed oil, and papaya contains vitamin A, vitamin C, and vitamin E. Papaya seed oil is a great anti-aging oil to use topically on the skin. It's a great oil to mix with other ingredients, but it's also amazing to use directly on the skin. Rich in vitamin A, vitamin C, and vitamin E. Light oil that will absorb in the skin and leave the skin wrinkle-free, soft, and supple. The next oil that I'm going to be using is some marula oil. Now because marula is lightweight, it absorbs easily. This makes it an effective moisturizer for dry or aging skin. It may be beneficial for smoothing and softening fine lines and wrinkles, preventing stretch marks, keeping skin hydrated and well nourished. It is also effective to use as a moisturizer. It is rich in vitamin C and vitamin E, a perfect oil to use on the skin. And if you have oily skin, it is good since it will not clog the pores. Now my next ingredient is going to be some aloe vera gel. And we're using the aloe vera gel for its antibacterial properties. Aloe vera gel also contains vitamin C. It's a great ingredient for sunburn. It is good for reducing wrinkles and fine lines on the skin. Aloe vera gel is also great for clearing pigmentation on the skin. For this recipe, we're using the store-bought aloe vera gel. When you're looking for a good aloe vera gel, make sure it's about 90 to 100% aloe vera gel. Very good to use on the skin standalone or with other ingredients. Now let's take a look at my final oil, and I'm going to be using some rosehip oil. This is the anti-aging oil that is rich in vitamin A, vitamin C, and vitamin E. Rosehip oil is good for the face, the neck, the décolleté. As a matter of fact, it is great to use all over the body, and it is good for boosting collagen production in the skin. Lift, tighten, and firm the skin, and leave the skin looking years younger once used on a regular. So now we are going to put everything together. We're making our hibiscus anti-aging facial moisturizer. So now we're going to reach for our blender, place it right there in the middle. And now we're going to go back for our freshly brewed hibiscus flowers. Now we are going to take a tablespoon of the hibiscus flowers. We're going to pour this in our blender. And now we're going to reach for our oils. The first oil I'm going to pour in is the marula oil. And I'm using 1 teaspoon of the marula oil. Pour this in. 1 teaspoon of the marula oil. Next, I'm going to reach for the papaya seed oil. And I'm using 1 teaspoon of the papaya seed oil. This one comes with a pump, so I'm just going to pump it in. 1 teaspoon of the papaya seed oil. Next, I'm going to reach for the rosehip oil, and I'm also going to be using 1 teaspoon of the rosehip oil. I'm eyeballing it. 1 teaspoon rosehip oil. And now we're going to blend this together. We're not adding the aloe vera gel as yet. We're going to add the aloe vera gel to the end. So now let's cover this. Now after this is done, we're just going to open and we're going to pour the blended mixture in a small bowl. Make sure to get everything out of this goodness. We're just going to give this a stir. And next we're going to reach for our aloe vera gel. And we're going to use a tablespoon of the aloe vera gel, 1 tablespoon of the aloe vera gel, and now we're just gonna blend this in, mixing the aloe vera gel in our hibiscus mixture, and we're gonna mix well. We're making an hibiscus moisturizer, an hibiscus anti-aging moisturizer. And we are mixing well. This is going to be very jelly-like, and that's exactly how you want it to be. So keep mixing. So what we're going to do, we're going to reach for our small jar. And we're going to pour our anti-aging facial moisturizer in our jar. Make sure to get everything in that jar. Now take a look. This is it. This is your anti-aging facial moisturizer. Now this moisturizer is good to use AM and PM, and you're going to use this moisturizer on top of your facial toner. Now to store this moisturizer, go ahead, store it on the countertop and use it up within 7 days. Or if you want a longer shelf life, go ahead and store it in the refrigerator. However, when you store it in the refrigerator, you need to take it out at least an hour or 2 before you use it on the skin. So to use the moisturizer, let's reach, and we're going to take 2 to 3 drops of the moisturizer. And this is what we're going to use on our skin. So you want to warm the oil in your skin like this. And then you're going to go ahead. We're just going to press it on the skin. Just press it on the skin like I'm showing here. And don't forget to take it down on the neck and décolleté. Once you pressed it on the skin, then you're going to go back and you're going to use your hands and you're going to massage it on the skin. It's going to just absorb in the skin. So you massage it. You have forehead wrinkles, you massage it on the forehead wrinkles. You massage it in the deep laugh lines. Just massage it on the skin like I'm showing here. Massage it on the skin. You have sagging jawline, massage it on the skin. Massage it on the skin. And then I like to go back and I like to just press it on the skin. So what you're going to do, you're going to go sleep, and up on the horizon in the morning, you're going to rinse off with cold water. You're going to pat dry the skin, and you're going to go ahead and apply your favorite daytime skincare product.